Okay. Now, it is not easy not to be a white knight, because white knight refers to a pattern of behaviors that are, one, learned, over a long period of time, and sometimes with deep roots in our childhood, or it may imply to an implicit part of our personality, all right? Something that is not necessarily voluntarily or voluntary, and something not so easily switched off. Okay. Rather, we can say that we can overcome white knight tendencies by, for instance, a careful and continuous examination of our habits, all right, and trying to determine how these tendencies or habits may trace back to our history, all right, and also being deliberate to do away with each iteration of its expression, all right. Anyway, so who is a white knight? All right, a white knight is a social, especially when we're talking about heterosexual relationships. A white knight is a man, usually guys, who is drawn to a quote unquote drawn to damaged girls or damsels in distress. These are women who suffer from some form of debilitating impairment that affects their ability to create and maintain healthy relationships, not only with other people, but with men. All right? So they are socially or emotionally or mentally or economically impaired, or even in all of them, all right, disadvantaged, okay? So accordingly, the nature of the relationship will be one of rehabilitative patronage, all right? But here's the catch. The white knight is not doing this rehabilitation out of the goodness of his heart. His motivations are very selfish. He is hoping that if he can reach out to this girl, all right, and bring her into such a relationship, she will in turn repay him by appreciating him, by loving him, and giving him sex. Okay? Ultimately, it's an ego boost for most white knights. Now, when you consider this, these relationships do not work. And if they last, they are quite unhealthy for a number of reasons. Number one, the white knight is in no way prepared or trained or qualified to offer such a kind of therapy. Because indeed, if the girl is damaged emotionally or mentally, socially, she needs help to be integrated. But this guy cannot do it. He cannot provide the counsel that is needed. And then secondly, the relationship will have problems because the goal of this relationship is not ultimately to rehabilitate her. The goal of this relationship is for the white knight to be loved and to be appreciated. All right? And so the rehabilitation will never truly come. All right? It can never truly come because this guy wants affection. That is his goal. He wants sex. That is his goal. That is what he is angling for. But in the rare occasion that rehabilitation actually happens, the girl will not want to stay. All right? Because who wants to stay in a relationship whereby you are perpetually beholden to someone who is continuously demanding for his pound of flesh. I built you, I helped you, I held your hand, I was there to comfort you, therefore you need to do this. Such a relationship is very unhealthy. And then finally, this relationship will become unhealthy. It will brew resentment, among other things, because ultimately this white knight is himself damaged. In fact, that explains his attraction to damaged people, to damaged girls, because he himself is impaired in some way or another. And so both white knights and distressed damsels are damaged. They are impaired. And a lot of growing up and therapy needs to be done, or to have been had, before they can be said to be in a position to carry out a healthy relationship.